So hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to show all the information like ping, packet loss, FPS, GPU usage and everything on Phenom. So let's start, and before we start our video, make sure you subscribe my channel, click on the notification bell to never miss an update. So let's start. So at first open Phenom, and I will give these two commands in the description, like press F8, then type this, then press F8, function key 8, and then paste, and it will show these things. And if you wanna undo that, then you can just add false at last like this, and it won't show there. And then if you want that thing again, and then it's this command, cl_draw perf perf or preference true. So that's how it's done. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.